Today we're tackling a crankshaft seal replacement on a Porsche Cayenne 958 3.0 TDI, engine code CRCA. And this is one of those jobs where the part itself costs almost nothing, but the installation demands your full attention. The crankshaft seal on this engine is a PTFE seal, Teflon. No spring, no metal reinforcement, nothing like a traditional lip seal. It works purely by contact. The seal presses directly against the crankshaft journal surface and conforms to it over time. That's what makes it so effective, and also what makes it so unforgiving during installation. Get it in crooked, even slightly, and it will leak. There's no fixing a misaligned PTFE seal without pulling it back out and starting over. There's another thing most guides don't mention. After installation, the seal needs to sit completely undisturbed for 4 hours. No starting the engine, no rotating the crankshaft. The seal has to cold set against the journal surface and take on the exact shape of what it's sealing. Skip that waiting period, and you're compromising the seal before it's even done its first job. Now, here's the real challenge on the 958 platform: clearance. The working space around the front crankshaft seal is extremely tight. Using a standard seal driver or a conventional press tool means you're working blind, with no way to verify the seal is going in perfectly square. So I built a custom installation tool. I had the body machined on a lathe, sized to match the exact outer diameter of the seal. Around the face of the tool, we machined a 2 mm recess, a shallow step that contacts only the outer edge of the seal, applying perfectly even pressure across the full circumference. No point loading, no risk of the seal tipping during press-in. For the mounting holes, we referenced the bolt pattern from the crankshaft pulley retaining plate. The same holes are already there, threaded and ready to use. That means the tool self-centers on the crankshaft axis automatically. No guesswork, no alignment issues. The result? The seal pressed in perfectly square, flush, and consistent all the way around. If you're working on a Cayenne 958 diesel and facing this same job, the takeaways are simple. Don't rush the installation. Respect the 4-hour cure time. And if your workspace doesn't give you confident access with standard tools, build the right tool for the job. It's worth the extra step. More repair work on this Porsche Cayenne documented on the channel.